Before you scroll away, take a deep breath. Because this message, yes, this one is meant for you. God saw what you went through this week, the pain you hid, the tears you wiped when no one was watching, and He told me to remind you of something powerful. He hasn't forgotten His promise to you. You may feel like your prayers are hanging in the air with no answer. You may think God is silent, but His silence is not absence. It's preparation. He's building something behind the scenes that you can't see yet. And when it unfolds, you'll understand why the wait was necessary. The Bible says in Jeremiah 29:11, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future." That means your story isn't over. You're not behind. You're not forgotten. You're exactly where God needs you to be for the miracle that's coming next. So don't give up when it's hardest, because that's when breakthrough is closest. Every delay you faced was divine direction. Every rejection was redirection. And every tear you cried was counted by heaven. If you've been praying for healing, it's coming. If you've been asking for strength, it's already growing inside you. If you've been waiting for doors to open, God is unlocking them one by one. In His perfect timing, God says to you today, "I am not finished with you yet. I'm restoring what was lost. I'm turning pain into purpose. I'm making all things new." Hold on to faith, because what's coming will make sense of everything you've been through. Say this out loud: "God, I trust your promise." Because the moment you do, heaven moves on your behalf. You are not forgotten. You are chosen. You are loved. And God's promise for you still stands. Faith Talks USA, reminding you that faith always wins.